Saint Valentine's story. My name is Valentine. I am a Christian priest. I lived in Rome long ago, when Rome was ruled by an emperor named Claudius. I didn't like Emperor Claudius since he was an aggressive and militant person. Claudius wanted a big army. He wanted men to volunteer to join it. However, many men did not want to fight. They did not want to leave their families or loves. So Claudius decided that people were not allowed to get married or engaged. He even made it a law. Young people, however, thought that his new law was cruel and unfair. I didn't approve the law either, so I decided to help young people to get married in secret. It was really exciting. We whispered the words of the ceremony and listened carefully for the steps of the emperor's soldiers. One night, we heard footsteps. It was scary. Unfortunately, these were the soldiers, and I was caught and put in jail. I knew that I hadn't much time to live. I knew Claudius was planning to execute me. I was sad, but many young people came to the jail to visit me. They threw flowers and notes up to my window. It was very comforting. The daughter of the prison guard also came to visit me. She became a true friend. We sat and talked for hours. On the day I was to die, I left my friend a little note thanking her for her friendship. I signed it, "Love from your Valentine." That note started the custom of exchanging love messages on Valentine's Day. I wrote it on the day I died, February 14th, 269 AD. Now, every year on this day, people remember. They think about love and friendship. Question number 1. Complete the following sentences. Saint Valentine lived in place and date. The emperor at that time was Claudius didn't like men to get married because he. Write T for true or F for false next to each statement. Claudius was a priest. Young people were excited about the new law. The punishment of breaking the law was death. Claudius made friends with the prison guard's daughter. Before he died, Valentine had written a love note. Circle the right answer in each question. According to paragraph 1, Claudius was A. Kind and peaceful, B. Cruel and bloodthirsty, C. Powerful and fair, D. Weak and coward. According to paragraph 1, Claudius forbade marriage because A. He thought that marriage destroyed men. B. He did not believe in marriage. C. His soldiers did not want to get married. D. Men did not want to leave their families and fight. According to paragraph 2, Saint Valentine was arrested for A. being a bad priest. B. Being afraid of soldiers' footsteps. C. Secretly marrying people. D. Throwing notes out of his window. According to paragraph 3, Saint Valentine A. left a note to his girlfriend. B. left a note to his daughter. C. left a note to the guard's daughter. D. left a note to the prison's guard. According to paragraph 4, on February 14th, we celebrate A. the death of Saint Valentine. B. the custom of exchanging love messages. C. nothing. It's just an ordinary day. D. true love and friendship. Question number 4. Find in the text words for the following definitions. Non-Jewish religious men serving God. In paragraph 1. A powerful ruler, a great king. In paragraph 1. To do something without being asked. Paragraph 1. To carry out a death punishment. Paragraph 2. A habit, something that is often done. Paragraph 4. Answer the following questions briefly. Why didn't Saint Valentine like Claudius? Why didn't men join the army? What comforted Saint Valentine? Why did Saint Valentine write the note? Why is Saint Valentine a symbol of love? Good luck.